Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply change of status on your social insurance number. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, change of status comes when your residency status in Canada changes. For example, let's say you are a work permit holder and then you become a permanent resident. So when you were working here on a work permit, you have a temporary SIN number that begins with 9, but then it has to be updated because your status has been changed. So how you can do it? So the easiest way of doing this is like to visit a Service Canada location. But right now during the pandemic, when services are limited and many people that don't want to go, then that really so people want to do this online. So I'm going to show you how you can do this online. Alright, so I have opened the official site for SIN number. Make sure you do it at the official site because scammers may try to deceive you by creating sites similar to this. So in the application type, you have to select change of status. Okay, now you need to put information: given name, family name, applicant's family name at birth, and other names like details that are required. So I'm going to put some sample entries here and then we'll take it from there. So I just put given name John, family name Smith, family name at birth Smith, date of birth. It's important that you fill all the mandatory piece of information. So again I put a random date of birth, and at least one parent's information is mandatory. If you want, you can put other as well, like mother and father both. Language of correspondence, let's say English. Gender, let's say male. Applicant status in Canada, you mean current status. So let's say you were a temporary resident visa, or in other terms let's say a work permit holder, and then you became a permanent resident. So your status now is gonna be permanent resident. Don't give your old status information. And you are up change of status. So let's say you definitely when you were on work permit and working here legally, you had a SIN number. Now you want to change it. So you had a SIN number and you need to provide that information. So I'm gonna put a random number. Let's see if they accept. I have put a random number. Let's see what happens. Now mailing address. So I'm just gonna put a random address. Let's see if they accept or not. So I have again put a random address. Let's see if they accept. You have to check this box and click on next. You can always read it to make sure that you understand the terms and condition. Okay, so here the guy is applying for himself. So put select yes, print the name, and you need to attach the documents as they have asked, and you can click on submit after acknowledging. And they have clearly said your application will not be processed if required documents are not provided. I have already shared a video where I have shown you the letter that somebody got because his application was not processed. So don't do that mistake again. You don't want to prolong your application. So thanks for watching guys.